due. All right, so let's take our midterm review 1 right here. It's okay, please. So the midterm review 1 right here, we talk about this right now. So we talk about this, we finish this part. So we basically use your visual Playtime solution, the design 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use the property to find a name. Once you find a name right there, and we have your Visual Studio has 2 views. We finish a programming view 2, code view, and you can use the Visual Basic code and to match the variable you are going to use it for this for control. Very important, you need to learn how to create variable at the code side. The control name is in the user interface. You need to name them too. And we also know that we must have option explicit on, option strict on, option infer off. All right, so we continue right here. Now at this moment, I am going to ask a student to provide answer for me because you kind of already did it. Is that right? All right, let me pull my chat room. Okay, sorry. All right, so I am coming right here right now. All right, so how do you write the code to focus text box, text name to be focused? Okay, so let me ask name right now. Let me pull up the participation sheet here. Esau, can you give me the answer for number 4? So that will be text 1. Name, da. Esau, can you continue help me finish? Focus. Is that right? Okay, focus. Okay, so we have this right here, right? So I want to show you here, okay? All right, so we got the focus, right? Okay, focus. I want to tell you this. Focus is a method. Focus is a method. All right. So what happened is if that's a method, you must do like this, like a close. You think it's an action. Think there's an action. Like I want to get focus. I want to get close. So it's a action. When you think about it's an action, put the parentheses around that. That's a method. In the future, you need to create method yourself. All right. So at button click right now. All right. So right now, what happened if I do not want to be the private variable? I do not want to be private variable. So I'm going to cut it. Exit out, cut it, because once it's private variable, everybody knows it, you have less security. So I'm going to move right here, but I'm going to move here. I cannot call it private. I'm going to call it what? Okay, Jason, can you give me the answer right here? I cannot call it private. All right, but I'm going to move here. If I call this a special, not dim, a special data type, then I have a same power like a private. Means everybody knows it. Jason, can you give me the data type? I should do it. Anybody? Static, yes. All right, so I hope you even though you have answer, I still want you to remember now. Now, very, very important right now. Assign the name to the variable. Okay, so we're going to put the input box, assign a name to the variable. All right, so the name is called what? Can anybody tell me how you do that? Okay, assign a name into the input box. So we doing this. All right, so I'm going to copy this line here, and I'm going to ask a very important question here. I'm going to ask important question. We already know input box need a prompt, need a title. So why do I put the string salesperson right here? Why do I put string salesperson right here? Can anyone tell me what's the main reason I put right here? Anybody? Anybody want to share the answer with me? How about Sean? Do you know the answer? Why I put why you know why I put string salesperson right here? If I delete it will be correct too. I get salesperson. All right, but why I'm going to put here? Anybody? Aldalis? Anybody knows it? Anybody? All right. No, it's not tryParse. It's a default value. It's a default value. So I'm going to put a string salesperson. Once I get it, it becomes a default value. So when I run this program, you see the name is right here already. When you run it, it's right there already for you. Okay? It's not tryParse. It's a default value. All right. So we're going to calculate the total number of the phone, and right. So I'm coming back to my right here. I'm coming back to my solution and explain from my solution for you. It's okay. So I'm coming back to my here, and I'm going to my solution right now. Okay. So we have this right now. Let's continue. All right. So here, we want to code to get a txtBlue phone. So remember, txtBlue integer is integer blue phone. So you must use integer dot tryParse, and from the user interface to the variable. All right, same thing, integer dot, because pink phone is integer dot tryParse txtPink in from the user interface to the variable. Okay, now we're going to put the integer total phone into the LBL total phone, because integer total phone is an integer. Integer cannot go to a text. Text is string. We have to convert. But we learn better way to convert. We don't call it convert. We change it to toString. ToString. These two are exactly the same, but this one has the frmMain. And we say we want to be the currency with two decimal place. Okay, and that's better. Then we'll see in Visual Basic, the string can be concatenated. So we put the salesperson equal and plus. Next will be that will be sales tax, and will be currency. Then control chart new line. Let's go to next line. Like you press enter, and string salesperson's name. All right. Then this is very important. We told you that add your blue box. Okay, whenever your blue box you change a number, then you want to clear out these numbers. You want to clear out those numbers and clear out these. All right, so both blue and pink text change. When we change the text, we want these same action. We want this same action. So what we did is we go to the text change. We go to a text change of blue. Okay, blue, and we write down this code. But then we go to the pink. Instead of copy down the same thing, we go to chose, we change the name here, become clear label. We first we need to change the name to clear label, then we change it. All right, so if you forgot, you can watch the video. Now, and let me go down to finish the rest of them for you. Is that okay? Let me go down the rest of them for you. So now we did this a long time ago. Is that right? We did this a long time ago. We have a koala, jellyfish right here. Okay. So what's the question right here? Let me see. All right, we done this part right now. So this, we will do a next assignment. Let me see, do I need to do anything here? All right, write the code for plus assignment. Okay, we'll do that next assignment. So this will be complete. You will complete your first one. Okay, first one. It's okay.